What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, guys, we have some really exciting news regarding a big institutional investor, a huge $3.2 trillion company getting ready to invest into Bitcoin. Now, remember, as always, I like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, just putting you guys on the plays that I'm in. If you're new around here, consider smashing the like button. Also, subscribing to the channel, and at the bottom right-hand corner, you guys see that get up to $200 in crypto when you sign up with my link for Coinbase, one of the biggest exchanges in the entire world. Go down to the description, it's right at the top. Bitcoin up about 1% on the day, 68,428. Ethereum up 1%. We're seeing the overall market rebound nicely after the last couple days of corrections. Top gainers, of course, looking like some pretty big altcoins, including ApeCoin, having some strong price action over the last week for the most part, as excitement comes in with ApeChain being introduced into the crypto sphere. But what I want to discuss is the breaking news that I mentioned at the beginning of the video, and that is Microsoft shareholders to vote on Bitcoin investment despite board's warning. Microsoft shareholders face a critical decision on a Bitcoin investment plan this December. The board opposes the proposal of the National Center for the Public Policy Research, or the NCPPR. The group says Bitcoin works well against inflation. They suggest companies put at least 1% of their assets into cryptocurrency. Major corporations like Microsoft are now showing more interest in using Bitcoin to spread their investments, and the vote as more companies seek new ways to protect their assets. You gotta make sure you're hedging. And right now, crypto looks like it's one of the strongest and biggest hedges against inflation and the downfall of any major currencies. Exploring the potential impact of Microsoft shareholder voting on Bitcoin investment. The proposal foundation. Remember, Microsoft is a company with a huge cash balance. They are a $3.2 trillion company, approaching their previous all-time high that was seen back in the month of June of this year. And with that being said, 1% of their assets is a lot more money than I think most people think. The NCPPR points to Bitcoin's strong performance. The cryptocurrency rose 99.7% in 1 year, beating corporate bonds by 94%. Insane, because that's where the majority of companies keep their money, in these corporate bonds. They note how competitor MicroStrategy stock grew by 313% more than Microsoft's through Bitcoin holdings. Microsoft currently holds $484 billion in cash, but it looks like, again, it's in government securities and corporate bonds, which is equivalent to cash because it's very liquid, which barely keep up with inflation. Microsoft received a proposal suggesting that this traditional approach needs updating. Board's opposition and current strategy. Microsoft has strong and appropriate processes in place to manage and diversify its corporate treasuries for long-term benefit of shareholders, and this requested public assessment is unwarranted, the board stated. They say they've looked at Bitcoin before. The board worries that cryptocurrency price swings could affect their daily operations and cash needs. Microsoft's current investment approach focus on stability and predictable returns. Market implications and institutional adoption. More institutions are investing in crypto. We know BlackRock offers Bitcoin ETFs, and CPPR believes Bitcoin is an excellent, if not the best, hedge against inflation. They highlight how Bitcoin beat the corporate bonds over the last 5 years, growing about 414%, and this trend shows the growing acceptance of cryptocurrency in traditional finance. The December vote. On the 10th of December, a little over a month away, the vote could change how big companies view cryptocurrency investment. Microsoft's board likes its current strategy. However, NCPPR says companies must look at investments that grow more than bonds. So overall, things are looking exceptionally bullish. And I think, again, if the shareholder meeting goes as planned, and right now we know with MicroStrategy putting pressures on a lot of different institutional investors and big companies. And we know Tesla has already joined on board, haven't sold any of their BTC ever since 2021, only increasing their position or keeping it the same, almost $1 billion invested. If Microsoft puts in 1% of their assets into BTC, we're talking some significant, in the billions, mind you, of dollars and inflows coming in to the entire cryptocurrency industry First coming in with Bitcoin, creating some really big FOMO candles. And then from there, we're going to see inflows coming to all the other altcoins. So it's getting very excited right now in crypto. Strap in, be prepared, and not surprised, because when they panic, you guys know the saying, we pounce. I appreciate your support as always. That's all I had. And until next time, keep investing. Peace.